Hey everyone, RC Peck here. So much is going on with the market this week. We literally have brand name companies crashing 40 to 70%. We can actually use the word crashing here. They are absolutely on sale. These are buying opportunities, not selling opportunities. I want to talk about that. And I have to talk about the health of the market. Are we moving into something much bigger where the markets can start falling 20, 30, 40, 50%? And these Facebook falls of 40% is just kind of telling us what's about to come? Or is it just a corner of the market? The market's actually good. Stick around, I'll get to it. Hey everyone, RC Peck with my weekly update. So first of all, sorry for the really bad video today. My other camera is just freezing, so we can suffer through this. Hey, so good to have you here. We have two things we have to get to. The first is there are name brand companies that are absolutely getting trashed in the market that are down 40 to 70%, all with the backdrop that the market's actually doing just fine. So we've got to talk about these name brand companies, and we really have to point out that this could be a very, very big buying opportunity. The other thing I want to talk about is the interest rate increase, the 3/4 point increase that everyone is absolutely freaking out about, saying the market's going to crash. This is a sign that it's crashing because Facebook or whatever is down. So I want to talk about why there actually is not a crash coming, but it's just a correction. So let me get out of this video. Let me get over to just showing you my screen because I think, no, not talking head, soapbox. I call this my soapbox. Just because so you can see part of me, it's better connection. So look, people aren't panicking into the bond market. It's falling. Doesn't matter what part of the bond market you're looking into. Here's municipal bonds. Municipal bonds are down about, most of the bonds are down about 2 to 3%. Corporate bonds, let's just quickly see corporate bonds. And then we're going to get to the trouncing that a lot of individuals, corporate bonds are down 5+%. By the way, they're below, this is not good, where corporate got crazy. So people are not moving into bonds. People are not moving into cash. Those are the two places people move into. So the market's super stable. The other thing I would say is people over the age of 50, men and women who invest over the age of 50, they represent the majority of the wealth in the markets, both the bond market and the stock market. And the indexes they move into are doing fine. They're all outperforming the overall market. Now, there are some parts of the market that are underperforming, like the NASDAQ 100 right now is definitely underperforming. But we got to give it some space here, everyone. It outperformed the S&P before the COVID correction, after the COVID correction. During the COVID correction, it outperformed. So there's been a lot of outperformance in the NASDAQ 100. So having it underperform right now is okay. All right, so that's the first thing I wanted to cover was just the market. Is the market safe? Are we going into a crash or is it a correction? And for right now, this is just a correction and nothing more. Now, there is some crazy stuff going on. There are absolutely household names that are taking it on the chin. Facebook lost $236+ billion in one day. That is the biggest market cap loss ever for a U.S. stock, publicly traded stock. That's bigger than Verizon. Verizon's not even $236+ billion. It's like $222 billion. It's way bigger than AT&T. AT&T is $172 billion. So Facebook lost Verizon in a moment when they come out with their earnings. So part of it is, look, I don't think people like Mark Zuckerberg. I think they like Elon Musk. I think they like Jeff Bezos. I think they like Tim Cook. They don't like what he's doing, and he's not actually that likable of a person, so Facebook's being punished. But it's not going anywhere. Okay, what else is happening? Snap was down 70%. It's now up 58%. Let's just call that 60%. That's a crazy move for Snap. These are huge moves. Let's look at PayPal. PayPal is down 50% and has found some huge support. PayPal could not get above $120 a share in 2019 and 2020 before COVID. And it's right back down to that price. I mean, this is pretty amazing. Square, which I know is called Block, I'm still going to call it Square, is down. What's Square down? 64%. This is crazy. These are crazy numbers here. These are companies that are not going anywhere. Netflix down 50%. It has now recovered some of that. Bill Ackman bought a huge chunk of it. He's one of the biggest top 20 holders of Netflix. I think he holds close to $1 billion worth of Netflix. These are huge corrections. Then we have Nvidia. That's down 35%, has stabilized. Again, that's one of the largest stocks on the planet. It's the second largest semiconductor company on the planet. It was the largest semiconductor company on the planet just 2 months ago. These companies are not going anywhere, and they are on sale anywhere from 40 to 70%. Now they have corrected. The point here is that there is a sale going on. This is freaking parts of the market out, but there's other parts of the market. This is value. Look at value on the screen. It's fine. It's still trending higher. Look at dividends. It's fine. It's trending higher. Look at financials. Fine. Trending higher. Look at energy. Fine. Trending higher. Look at staples. Fine. Trending higher. Look at utilities. Fine. Trending higher. Look at the low volatility parts of the market. Fine. Trending higher. The market's not scared. The market's fine. There are parts of the market that are absolutely punishing people. But this is buying opportunities and not selling opportunities. Of course, I'm not providing any financial advice in this video or any of my videos on YouTube. I'm simply pointing out that if you took a portion of your portfolio and said, you know what, really? PayPal's down 50%, Shopify's down 50%, Netflix is down 50%, Square was down 64%. What is going on here? And then there's C. C is a company that most of you probably don't know about, SEA, C Limited. Its ticker symbol is SE. That was hit 65%. This is the largest stock in Singapore. It's not going anywhere. We're talking huge, huge companies. Now, did they bottom this week? Did they bottom today? Did they bottom yesterday? I don't know. We don't know that yet. I'm simply pointing out these are household names that have gone on sale. Some of them have since corrected 40 to 70%. I think when we look back in 1 year or 2 years, you're gonna be like, wow, that was crazy what was happening. So we are definitely having some corrections in parts of the market, but the overall market is super healthy. There's no panicking going on. The men and women over the age of 50 are not freaked out. Now, look, if they own the S&P 500, they have about 25% of the money in tech-type stocks. If people own the NASDAQ 100, they have about 44% of the money in tech-like positions. I'm doing the air quotes because Facebook is not officially tech, neither is Google. Those are communication companies. Amazon's not tech. That is a discretionary company. Shopify's discretionary. So you get the point here. I think Square is financials. Oh, no, Square is actually technology and not financials, even though it's a financial company. I'm just curious, is PayPal, let's just quickly look this and then we'll wrap it up. No, PayPal is still technology, even though those are really more financial. A lot of opportunity going on. The market's fine. It's digesting the 3/4 point from nowhere, from zero, moving higher, just like it did in 2015, 2016. I'm absolutely adjusting my approach. It's not like 2018. It's more like 2015, 2016, when the market went sideways for about a year. It moved at its worst down about 15%. We're not seeing any of that right now. We're seeing a little bit of it in the Qs. But nothing to worry about right now. Thanks for being here. I appreciate it. Thanks for the crappy video or suffering through the bad video this week. I'm actually using the camera in my laptop and not my $700 Canon camera that seems to just continue freezing. I'll fix that. But if you like this video, please go ahead and hit like, leave a comment. Tell me where you think I got it right, where I got it wrong. Did I miss a symbol that you think is even a bigger or better buy, kind of for the buy and forget? Let me know. And let me know where you think I also got things right and wrong. I read all comments. I respond to all comments. And if you like this video, you will love my other videos. Okay, thanks so much. I look forward to seeing you on the next one, and I'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye.